Good morning, guys. It is climb day, Friday morning, and it's raining like crazy right now. Driving up to Paradise where the trailhead starts, and it's pouring. It's about 40 degrees outside right now. By the time we get up to Paradise, it's supposed to be below freezing and snowing like crazy. So yeah, today's going to be interesting. Weather's not looking great, but we're gonna give it a shot anyways. And we're gonna give it a shot and go to Camp Muir today. That's a little over 10,000 feet of elevation. The winds up there are supposed to be about 30-35 miles an hour, with wind chill down to about negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, it's gonna be a little chilly. And it'll be snowing all day, possible 15 inches of snow. So our number one goal is just to get to camp safely today. It's about a 4.5 mile hike up to Camp Muir with about 4,500 feet of vertical gain. And it's a challenging hike even on a good day, they said, but with bad weather like we had today, it's gonna be interesting. So I'm so excited. I've got the gear for it. But yeah, so that's what's happening. It's gonna be fun. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. I don't know if you can tell. I got bags under my eyes. I was too excited. So it's all right. I climbed Mount St. Helens with no sleep. I can do this.
Well, on our first break, and can't really see much. Really foggy and snowing. My group. Yeah, we've been going for about an hour now. So, not bad so far. Not too cold, not too windy. Just can't see where we're going. Yeah, good so far. Catch you guys in the next break. Sun just came out a little bit.
I didn't see them. Yeah, they came out.
Oh wow. Wow, that's beautiful. So we're going right up there. That's awesome. I made it. Well, this is Camp Muir, everybody. Got the tents over there. I'm staying on the one right there at the very end. Bathrooms, the bunkhouse here for RMI. That's the way we came up, but you can't see anything. Still snowing. That was hard. But that was an awesome climb. It's my tent. Just staying in here tonight. Pack back there. It's about 4:30, and that wind was bad. It was so cold. My fingers were frozen for a while. I couldn't feel them. But they're thawed out now. I feel better. But the wind was howling. It was just cutting through all the layers. 5:30, we're gonna go eat dinner. And then I'm gonna rest. Get ready for the climb tonight. Fingers crossed. Well, guys, didn't make it up this morning. The weather is still pretty bad. But we would have gone across there, up there to Cathedral Gap. But yeah, the weather wasn't working with us. So instead, I get to enjoy this awesome view. It's cold. Mount St. Helens there. Adams right there at the top of it. And then I stayed in that tent right there. And boy, was it windy and cold. It was pretty cold. Hey guys, I'm heading back from Paradise right now, back to Ashford, to Rainier Base Camp. We just got back. It took us about 2.5 hours to climb down from Camp Muir. I couldn't get much footage at all. The way these hikes work, that I found out, these climbs, is we go for an hour at a time and then stop for about a 10-15 minute break. And the weather on the way up was just terrible. It was whiteout conditions almost the whole way. So even if I could have pulled out my camera, there wasn't anything to film. It was, unless you want to see the people hiking in front of me, that's about all you could see. I took as many pictures as I could, though, as much video as I could. And it was the same thing coming down this morning. Not much of a view once we hit the clouds. It was pretty much white out again, snowing. But yeah, we made it to Camp Muir. We made it there. Took us about 5.5, 6 hours. We were fighting some really bad weather. Even the guide said it was a tough climb. So we made it to Camp Muir, and it was about, I'd say with wind chill, it had to be between -15, -20 degrees Fahrenheit. So this morning, a group actually did attempt to climb a little ways up Rainier to Cathedral Gap. They made it close, but they had to turn around. The weather's just too bad. What happened is there was 55-mile-an-hour winds up at the summit, and with all the snow they had, it piled the snow up. It drifted it, and it made a big avalanche hazard. So it was just too dangerous to go. So that's why we didn't make it to past Camp Muir. But I will be signing up and going the next chance I get. So yeah, it was a great climb. I had fun. It was cold, it was nasty weather, but it was beautiful. We had some break in the clouds a couple times, and I got some great pictures and some video. So yeah, I'm gonna have to rethink my strategy next time I film one of these things going with a guide group. I'm gonna have to get a GoPro or something, because hands are not available. But anyways, yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. I apologize again. There's probably not a lot of content if you're watching this, but I tried my best. So please comment below. Tell me if you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll catch you next time.